Hey guys, so I don't know if this video is going to help you that much, but this is a little exercise. So yes, I'm doing an exercise for a video, which is something I don't usually do. This video is how you can stretch your knees and play around on the ground a little bit. Because if you've got a bad knee like me, you're going to have to start warming up your knees, maybe for like 20 minutes, even half an hour before you start dancing these days. Because when you get old, in your 30s, 40s, older, you're going to get bad knees. You're going to start to really need to do warming up a lot. So something I do is I just want to kind of get down into this low position, not put too much weight on your knees or anything, but you can see already I got a bad knee. This knee is sitting way higher than this one because it's quite painful at the moment. So I haven't stretched it yet, but what you can do is you can practice like taking one knee down at a time, just here, and you can just practice like coming down onto your knees from here, right? So at the moment, most of our weight's on our feet down here. So our knees aren't really taking much of our whole body weight at the moment. It's mostly on our feet. So we're just going to come down like this, and then we can start coming down onto two knees, and we can start shifting our weight around while we're down here, right? So this is a little exercise I like to do, and then we can play around with it. You can like start to like travel when you're down on the ground like this. Start to turn. So use your hands a lot, really take advantage of your hands. And just try and like play around with like walking in a circle down here. And just see like what you can do, and then occasionally like come down onto one knee, then come back up, and then step, and then come down to another knee. And we can really start to play around with it. And this is not just an exercise, this is also how you can get creative and create moves on the ground. It helps you understand ground moves a lot. So just by doing this, you're going to come up with a bunch of ground moves. You're going to be like, okay, my body understands this position, where my weight is, how this feels, and you're going to develop muscle memory from doing this. So, example, you might come down here, and now you might start to bring this leg out, and then you might start to turn with it, and then come down, and then start to like turn in circles, and then you might start to come up like this into ground moves, and then we can do like slides, or we can come back, up, back. So really like we can really play around down here on the ground because we're in complete control now with our hands, right? So from here I can even come back, lean back. I'm also getting a nice stretch of my leg here. Can lift your leg out, stretch this leg a little bit, come forwards, both legs. Something else you can do from here is we can come out, stretch our legs like out here, up, get a nice back stretch. So we can come up like this, lift one leg up, out, up. Maybe we want to step forwards with a long leg. Now come forwards like this. So it's like stretch like this, stretch that back leg, come up, and then we can practice like going up and down from here. So another way to get into it, I do this quite a lot. I come down, and then I come down, and then I come back. So all I'm doing is like breaking down this motion in the knees. So I'm really like controlled coming down like this. And there is other ways to come down. We can also go into the W's from here, like W's. But make sure you're doing it controlled when you come down, because the point of this is to stretch and warm up your legs, not to go 100% and injure yourself. So at the moment, I could sit back, sit down on the ground, but I don't feel like my legs are warmed up enough for that yet. So if you want, you could still use your hands, lean back, play around with this a little bit more, start coming down, and then see like how how can we drop the levels down a little bit lower now? And this is just like a little exercise you want to do for about half an hour before you start doing like your ground moves and dancing, because this is going to get you fully warmed up. Another thing I'll teach you is put your leg behind the leg like this or like that. So now we can really do some controlled turns and come up like this as well. And turn like this. Try to focus on turning and then coming down and then bringing your knee across and then coming back up. And then like coming down to two knees, coming back up onto one leg, maybe in this position here, shift your weight across like this, and then maybe like try and turn up, and then try and turn back down with that, and then switch legs, and then maybe go one under the other. Switch, now this leg goes behind, boom, behind, and now down, and now roll back up, and then this is really like low stress, very controlled exercises for our legs. So we're not putting full stress or full weight on our legs at the moment. It's very low intensity is the right word, sorry. So low intensity exercise, and it actually looks really cool as well. So we can use this with like our ground waves, like we can like start to wave and stuff down on the ground. And we can even like start to come up with that. So when you're down here, you can really like experiment with what you have. Like we might want to come back this time and lean around and really explore this floor space, because the floor space is so special, right? We have so much we can do from there. But then you can still like get into like your ground moves and stuff from here. W's. Our broken legs, our like lunge position, even our ninjas or our Zs. So we can do a lot. We can even like start to kick this leg out more like a breaking style thing. So this is a cool exercise. Slide this leg out and then slide this leg out. And just kind of like you're stepping forwards with it, and then just maybe add a turn or something with that. So 1, 2, and now try and turn, right? And now try and add the turns, okay? And really like explore this space. And now the next step, try this. So both knees down, turn, up, 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 and then we go in a circle, like 1, 2, 3, 4, but keep your hands on the ground and keep this controlled the whole time, right? Really look after your knees as you're doing this exercise, guys. So yeah, just like, you can do a lot more from there if you want. You could start doing your ground moves here, here, up, boom, here. Start coming up and then go down, come up, go down with that, come up, and then explore this floor space again, up here, come down onto one knee. Really like protect your knees like I was saying. Maybe you want to try step over this time, so maybe take your leg over, see where that takes you. Okay, we can do that. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff we can explore down here, guys. So this is really cool. This is just a little exercise I like to do for like 20, half an hour. And yeah, I'm already getting puffed out. I feel my body getting warmed up, but just because I'm very out of shape naturally. So yeah, another thing you can try is step down, step down. So we can walk with this. Up, down, up, down. Turn, hands on the ground, come up. Then maybe we come up, come down, or we come up on our feet, turn, down, up, turn, down, and yeah, just like try and like walk with it a little bit, let your legs open up a bit more, because you've got to let the legs open occasionally, and yeah, like have fun with it. It should also be a very fun exercise. It should be like meditation while you're down here. And yeah. So, is there anything else I do from there? I think you can also focus on straightening out your body. So from here, we can try to like come up a little bit. We can do these angles so we get our core strength. We can try to lift our legs up like this and come down, up, down, play around with stuff down here, and then come up like this. Alright, so we have options from down here. Come up, this is another cool one. So just from here, just come straight down. Boom. And I come straight up, and I come straight down, and I come straight up, and now switch legs. Now other side, straight down, straight up, straight down. Maybe try, play around with straightening our legs. And now we're getting a nice hip stretch in here. So now we're going to switch sides and stretch our hips. Give our hips a stretch. Okay, see, these are really important exercises we can do. Okay, and then from here, we can come up. Come up down, we can come up, we can turn. Work on our turns from here. Our turns. Okay guys, I think that's plenty of stuff to show you. The goal is to just, stay low. Stay low, warm up the knees, open the joints, our hips, our knees, really open everything, give yourself a good stretch. You can probably hear my knees clicking, but it's not painful. It's like a good kind of click, like a nice crack in your knuckles or something, right? So anyway, just to show you something, I have an injured knee and I have a knee brace on. So if I can do this with an injured knee, you know that anyone else can do it too. It's not too harsh on your knees or anything. Okay? So anyway, yeah, just work on that. I hope this helps. It's a super cool trick. It's actually like one of my secrets I do for creativity and creating ground moves, and had to share it with you guys. So now you have the tools to be creative and healthy and fit and safe on the ground. Peace.